The building category symbolizes a schematic representation of a building. It includes a 3D representation and a plan representation associated with different building typologies. A building instance incorporates all the project data, like types and finishes of walls, ceilings, and floors, without the need to draw them. This allows us to extract quantities, analyze and evaluate our project in response to the client's demands and its context. The Building in the G.Architecture tab displays the tools to draw and edit the building family. To place a building instance, click on New. When we start a building instance, Revit opens the Modify a Wall panel. Revit identifies the building categories as a wall category. Drawing an instance of the building family is identical to drawing a wall. Although Revit identifies it as a wall, there are some critical differences. Therefore, when editing the properties of a building instance, you must use the G-Property panel instead of the Revit Properties panel. You can find the G-Property panel in the G-Architecture tab. This panel works and looks like the Revit Properties panel. Yet it's a bit different. You will find a tab selector that allows you to change the type of the selected building instances, an Edit Type button that allows you to open the Edit Building Type command, and a grid of properties that shows you some of the selected building instances properties. The Edit Type button that you can also find in the G-Architecture tab allows you to create and edit different types of building family. The building family is based on a structure of vertical layers to which a function and a thickness can be applied. We have 4 functions. Lit area for all the building parts that are in direct contact with the facade and that can be lit by sunlight. Dark area for all the building parts that cannot be directly connected to the facade and cannot receive direct sunlight. Corridors area, pretty self-explanatory. And a generic area if you're not sure of the layer function or not sure of what you're doing. No judgment there. To edit a type, we can add, delete or reorder the layers of the structure, edit their function and thickness. We can also choose to have a representation of a facade and assign a thickness value to it. To create a new type, duplicate an existing type, name it, and then change its structure. Not to tease you, but you need to see what's next.